The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Johnston County in southeastern Oklahoma, northwestern Bryan County in southeastern Oklahoma, Marshall County in southeastern Oklahoma, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:17 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Atoka to near Gene Autry, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Durant, Maudeal, Tishomingo, Kingston, Dixon, Colbert, Caddo, Mansville, Boxito, Ravia, Wapanucka, Silo, Milburn, Knefic, Meade, Armstrong, Cartwright, Fillmore, Blue, and Woodville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.